How to fix Facebook can't send request error. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can solve can't send friend request in Facebook problem. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to make sure that your Facebook application on your device is up to date to its latest version. In order to do so, first of all, open up the Play Store and on the search bar type in Facebook. If your app is missing out any update, you will get update option there, so simply tap on update and your Facebook app will get update. After do that, go back and check whether the issue has been solved or not. If not, now open up the settings in your device, then tap on apps. Now again tap on see all apps. There search for Facebook and then simply go to Facebook. Once you get to app info page of Facebook, scroll down a bit and then there tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. That will get rid of all the junk file of Facebook from your device, which may help you to solve the problem. After you do that, open up your Facebook and check whether the problem is solved or not. If still not, then the last option will be open up your Facebook application. Now you have to screenshot the error message that you get. Once you do that, now head over to the upper right corner. There you will get your profile icon with 3-line icon there. So tap on that. Now scroll down a bit and then tap on help and support. From there again go to report a problem. Now again tap on continue to report a problem. Then again tap on include. Here if you scroll down a bit, there you will find an option as friend request. So tap on that. Now you have to describe your issue. So simply type in that you are not able to send friend request to your friend. It says you might not know this person. So you have to describe the issue, and after that you can upload the screenshot that you have taken before. So tap on upload from phone and then upload the screenshot. After you do that, simply tap on this send icon at the upper right corner, and after you do that, your issue will be submitted to Facebook Service Center, and within an hour a day you will get notification from Facebook, and then that will help you out to solve your problem. And that's how you fix can't send friend request problem in Facebook. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.